Today I'm going to make a quick video of how to install this passenger tail light on a 2002 Honda CR-V. Alright, so you have these pins, and we're going to go ahead and just mount it back into place. Just like so. And like so right there. Then just press it in, just like that. Alright, then you're going to grab your 10mm socket. And we're going to come to the inside of this. And there's that one. Our 10 is... Actually, I'm sorry, I said 10mm socket. You're going to be using a Phillips. This one goes up here. Just like so. Then this one comes down here. Just like so. Then we'll drive it in up here. Not too much of just plastic. Then we'll put the little cover back on. Just like so. Alright. Then we'll come over here to the outside. And we'll go ahead and drive that screw in. Sweet. There it is. That is how you install a passenger tail light on a 2002 Honda CR-V. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.